Oh, here we go again, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, here we go again, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Here we go, y'all. Oh, here we go again, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Here we go, y'all.
Nagkakilala kami nung high school kami, first year ako, tapos third year siya, through text.
I knew it wouldn't be the last time.
Tapos, pagkakita ko sa kanya, singkit at mahinhin, mabait. So, doon ako na-follow sa kanya.
Couldn't find a single regret. We could write an endless story through the struggle.
Welcome!
I will stay. We will never fail.
Oh, pwedeng suot? Baka body size na.
Together till our skin is old and weathered. By your side,
Wow! A gift for you. This gift is small, but my love for you is endless.
about walking away. I would be a liar, I'd be wrong. Even in the hardest
Wow! Pabasa. This isn't just a gift, it's a promise to grow with you, cherish you, and love you through every season. Thank you.
write an endless story through the struggle and the glory. By your side,
Thank you, love, for the gift.
sail the skies together till our skin is old and weathered. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away.
Very responsible siya at saka inuuna niya lagi yung ibabagay yung sarili niya, selfless person. See you later, yun lang. I love you.
Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday.
Love, this is it. Sana all no more. Ito na yung matagal nating hinihintay. Ito yung bunga ng ating panalangin. At hintayin kita mamaya hanggang sa magsama tayo, hanggang sa pagtanda. Mahal, I love you so much.
You're still the one, you're still the one
Noon, humiling lang ako kay Lord ng isang kaibigan na laging may oras para sa akin. Pero higit pa ang binigay niya. Mula sa simpleng text, isang meet-up, hanggang sa napakaraming panahon na pinagtagpo at pinagtibay tayo ng Diyos.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we were.
Salamat kay Lord dahil binigay ka sa akin bilang matatag na sandigan. Ikaw ang aking Wonder Woman, pagkat di ka bumitaw kailanman. Sa mga panahong wala akong tiwala sa sarili ko, ikaw ang nagpalakas ng loob ko.
We're still together, still going strong.
Wedding is a blessing. Alam ba natin na ang kasal ay isang pagpapala? This is God's idea.
You're still the one I want for life.
I promise to honor you, respect you, and cherish you bilang asawa na pinagkatiwala sa akin ni Lord.
The only one I dream of. You're still the one.
Lagi akong magiging sandalan mo, kakampi mo, matalik mong kaibigan habang buhay. Ikaw ang pinakamahalang bahagi ng aking buhay at habang magkasama tayo, palagi kitang pipiliin at pahahalagahan.
I promise to walk with you in faith, believing that God will always be at the center of our home. I promise to choose you kahapon, ngayon, bukas, at sa lahat ng araw na ibibigay sa atin ng Diyos. Mahal na mahal kita.
You're still the one, you're still the one that I love.
Walang makapagsabi kung ano ang mangyayari sa kinabukasan, kaya mamahalin kita sa alampang paraan habang tayo ay nasa kasalukuyan. Tayo magsama hanggang sa ating pagtanda at hawakan ang iyong kamay hanggang sa aking huling hininga. Mahal na mahal na mahal kita.